So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'm going to be doing up here. So first you want to expand HQ local machine. Now you want to expand software. Now you want to expand Microsoft. And now you want to expand Windows. We're going to scroll down till we find Windows. You want to expand Windows. And now you want to expand current version. I'm going to make this a bit bigger first. So now we're going to expand current version. And now we're going to expand Explorer. We're going to scroll down and expand Explorer. Now you want to click on the advanced folder. You want to click on this. And now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. And then once you're on this, you want to find disable low battery notification. If you don't see it, then you want to right click on the white space and then click on new and then click on DWORD 32-bit value. You want to call this disable low battery notification. Spell it with the same capitals and lowercase as I did and then click on enter. And then once you have this, you want to double click on it. Make sure that in this box right here you have the number 1. So where it says validator in this box right here, you want to type in 1 and then click on OK. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer and then you should be good to go.